Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Hello boys and girls, I am so excited to have you for this lesson. This is Manifested e-learning platform and I am Teacher Purity. Now we are still continuing with reading, but for this lesson we shall learn a different sound A. Sound A. So welcome to the lesson and let's all learn these words that have sound A. Now sound A is a vowel sound and it can be used either at the beginning of a word or within the word or at the end of a word. It depends with the type of word. Now let's look at the examples of words with the sound A. Examples of words with sound A. So my first word here is egg. Egg. Now the word egg has sound A at the beginning. Then we have elephant. Elephant. Now an elephant is a wild animal, you all know that, and it is among the big five. The word elephant has sound A at the beginning of the word and along the word. We can also have another word, eat. Eat, the past tense of the word eat. The word eat also has sound A. Then we have bell. Bell, look at the word bell. Our sound A is in between the other letters. And we use a bell at a school. It tells us what we are supposed to do to change from one subject to another or from one activity to another. Another word we have event. The word event. An event is like an occasion, a ceremony or an activity. So in the word event, we have sound A at the beginning and also along the word. We also have another word, enter. Enter. The word enter also has sound A. To enter means you are getting inside. Getting inside. Another word, we have the word pen. Look at the word pen. It has sound A in between. Then best. The word best also has sound A. Then we have red. Red is a color and our blood is red in color. So the word red also has sound A. Now from what I have on the board, it's just a few examples of these words with sound A. Some of the words that have sound A. The first word is egg, and we get eggs from chicken at home. Then we have elephant. Elephant. The third one, ate. The past tense of the word, eat. Then bell, event, enter, pen, best, red. Now I want to take you through the words. You'll be repeating after each word. So the first word is egg. Egg. Elephant. Elephant. Ate. Ate. Bell. Bell. Event. Event. Enter. Enter. Pen. Pen. Best. Best. And lastly, red. Red. We shall read the words one more time. Egg. elephant, at, bell, event, enter, pen, best, red. So practice reading these words and get to know what they mean and how you can use them in making sentences. Now I'm going to leave you with some work on sound A. Copy the words in your exercise book and practice reading them. So practice reading these words. You are going to practice reading these words on your own. So make sure that you are correctly copying them in your exercise book so that you can have the correct word with you. And let's meet again during our next lesson where we shall together go through the assignments. Have a lovely time.